Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go how can we on location in our lava phone. Guys, you want to on guys location in lava phone, so how can you turn on location in lava phone in this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all you will have to turn on guys your phone setting to on guys your location, phone location setting. Then I scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your location is off setting. So then tap here. Friends, you want to on location, you want to use guys location setting. Use location setting as you can the right side is icon guys, tap here. Guys your location will on and guys you can use guys your phone location setting from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on location in our lava phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video. And guys you have a doubt related to guys your lava phone setting, so as you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.